Good afternoon, class. In today's video, this will be part 2 of my de-icing adventures. So we're back here at my freezer. We're going to see how this goes as I use my trusty hammer and chisel, technically, and see what happens when we de-ice this refrigerator, this freezer. So let's open it up and see what we got. So, as you can see, we've got our nice little bit of ice over here. It looks like it's completely filled up this tray. So I'm gonna talk a little bit less in this video and just break the ice, and see how this goes. So here we go. Got our hammer and okay. Good, we got a nice big piece coming up. In fact, let's take the time to get rid of these pieces of ice. Okay, I see a nice big chunk right here. This might break pretty well if I hit it. Nice, now a couple of pieces here. Let's see how this one goes. Oh, that was a good one. Way to get a lot of ice out of there. Let's use our bowl and clean this up a little bit. Okay, let's hit this other big chunk of ice right there. So as you can see, I got a lot of big pieces over here, kind of like this. So as I clean up, hopefully you'll notice that what's happening is that this procedure is getting a lot quicker. So now that we've accomplished our feat over there of de-icing the freezer, let's reflect on what happened and some of the physics and possibly some of the chemistry that goes inside of it. So when I looked at the water, or the ice in this case, what I saw was in part 1 of this series, the ice was maybe about this thin. It doesn't look very thick at all. But in this case, in this part 2, the ice was a lot thicker, which I think led to a lot more group behavior when it comes to all of the ice moving as one, because individually, the ice really wants to just shatter and spread out everywhere, every which way it can, whereas when it's moving as one, it basically moves as one big super particle of water. So I thought I'd reflect on that a little bit, give a little bit of possibly some chemistry connections in there. So there is that, but also more to the point, this was a lot faster, if you noticed. And the reason why is because I didn't really take the time to go through all of the physics of it, because I covered that in my last video. So this one was more about a show of technique. So I thought I'd feature that and say thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Study hard. I'll see you in the next video.